welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday. Today I am so excited to be playing with the new collection in collaboration with Jkissa and e.l.f. Cosmetics. So today I'll be doing a look using these items, testing them out. This will be sort of like a first impression and slash review, and also I will include some up close swatches. So there was a box set and that retailed for $23. So that included all 3 items from the collection, and it looks like there was some really beautiful artwork. I really did try to order that, but it sold out super fast. So as of right now, the box set is out of stock and the eyeshadow palette is out of stock, but the eyeliner and mascara is still available right now. If you guys don't even know who Jkissa is, be sure to check out her channel. I'm sure you probably do, but in case you don't, I will put her channel below, and also check out her video where she explains, you know, why she picked out the certain names for the eyeshadows, and she goes more in depth with the full collection, so I definitely recommend checking that out. So there's only 3 items in this collection. We have an eyeshadow palette, an eyeliner, and a mascara. Everything is cruelty free and vegan and budget friendly. Let's go ahead and take a look at the eyeshadow palette first. It retails for $12. There is 11.5 grams total. So the packaging of just the box is so cute. You know, it says e.l.f., it has Jkissa's signature, and all these beautiful little designs along the side of the packaging is so adorable. And then moving on to the actual palette itself, it has this really silky matte black packaging that e.l.f. does a lot with their collections and palettes they've come out with before. So I love the black and then the sort of white font, and then you open it up, you have a full-size mirror, which is really big, and it's actually a really good quality mirror. I can see myself traveling with this palette and actually using the mirror when you're in a pinch. So in this palette you do get 6 eyeshadows and 1 highlighter shade, which you can use on the face or on the eyes. So all of the shades in here look pretty matte. Definitely the light purple shade, which is called Sway. That one definitely has some shimmer to it. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and pop up these swatches. We have Danger, Alien, My Moon, Sway, Mac and Cheese, BFF, and 23. Also included in this palette is a really cute double-ended brush, and one side you get sort of this pencil, kind of more of a denser brush on one side, and the other side is a very cute little blending brush, and it actually feels really soft. It looks very similar to a lot of the e.l.f. cosmetic brushes. I own a lot of them. You guys know I love the e.l.f. brushes, and it feels really soft, so I'll definitely try to use this in the look that I do today. So let's take a quick look at the other 2 items in the collection. We have a retractable gel eyeliner. This one doesn't really have a name on it. It just says eyeliner, but it's a really pretty blue shade. So it does have Jkissa's signature on the side there, and this is retractable, so you do twist it from kind of like the, not the very bottom, but the little section right here, you just easily twist up and down, which I really like. And on the bottom of the eyeliner is a sharpener. So if you need to sharpen the eyeliner, if you want to do like a winged liner and line the upper lash line, I think that's great. So this really feels like a gel creamy consistency. It went right onto my hand, super smooth. So there's just a swatch of that. Alright, and then the last item from the collection is this brown mascara. So the wand is definitely a bristle brush. It's not a rubber wand, so I like that this one has really thick bristles, and it almost has a little bit of an hourglass shape. So that is all 3 items from this collection. The packaging is beautiful. Congrats, Jkissa. This is so awesome. I knew immediately when this came out I had to order it and support her because she's just amazing. Amazing artist. Definitely check her out if you don't know who that is, but definitely had to show my support. And also she did sign some handwritten notes. I think the first, I don't know, 500, I forget how many she said, but I did actually get a handwritten note, which is so cool. So that's just so awesome. I'll definitely keep this. Alright, let's go ahead and do the eyes first because I'm just so excited to play with this palette. And I will try to use the brush. I don't know how good it'll be. So I think I'm going to take the shade Mac and Cheese, which is this one right here, and I'm going to use the brush. I love that she had a shade called Mac and Cheese because she likes mac and cheese. I love mac and cheese. A little bit of kick up in the pan, but that's pretty normal with e.l.f. eyeshadow formulas. So I'm just going to put this in the crease. Okay, this is really nice. It's blending so easily. I'm really liking the formula of this shade. So stinking pretty. Alright, I'm going to switch to some other brushes that I have. So I'm going to take the shade BFF, which is that really nice kind of brown. It looks almost like a camel brown. Kind of like apply this in a little V shape in the outer corner. And I'm just packing this color on first and then I'll blend it out. Oh my god, that is so nice. Oh. And it's blending so nicely into that mac and cheese shade. I don't even have to spend that much time blending. I'm gonna go back in with that little tiny blending brush because I actually really like this brush. And I'm just gonna blend the edges of that BFF shade and just kind of bring back that mac and cheese goodness. Oh, that is so pretty. Alright, I'm going to go in with the little tiny brush that's on this as well. And I'm going to take that mac and cheese color and I'm going to apply that on the lower lash line. Okay, this brush is really good. I'm actually shocked. I didn't know what to expect with this brush, but it's actually usable and it's not scratchy. Alright, and then I'm just dying to go into this deep kind of burgundy, really warm shade. It's called My Moon and it's named after her dog Suki. Oh my goodness, every time I see pictures of Suki I just die. She is like the most adorable dog. I'm a dog person and I have a dog as well. You guys already know Honey. And I'm gonna apply this also to the lower lash line. Oh look at that color. That is so, oh my goodness, that is so nice. Alright, and since I lost that color, I'm going to go back into mac and cheese on the little blending brush. And I'm just going to go right underneath. So I'm going to take the shade Alien, because I'm just dying to use it. And this is going to go on the lid. I don't know how it's going to look with all the other colors going on, but I have a feeling it'll work. I love how all of these colors, you wouldn't think they would go together necessarily, like when you first look at this palette, but this is so pretty. Now, if you wanted this green to really pop or any of the colors in here to pop, I would definitely recommend using you could use like a white concealer, something bright underneath it to really make it stand out. Obviously for the inner corner, we have to use 23. This just looks like the perfect highlighter shade. So I'm gonna use the Real Techniques detailer brush. Oh yes. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take 23 on my F19 A-Base highlighter brush because I just can't wait anymore. I'm just gonna dip into there and apply it. Ooh, oh, a little bit on the nose, Cupid's bow. And just to be a little bit extra, I'm gonna take a little bit of 23 and highlight a little bit under the brow bone. I'm going to go ahead and set everything with my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. Ooh, those cheekbones are glowing. Alright, so let's go ahead and use the eyeliner because obviously I'm using the liner. So I am going to put this in my waterline and also tight line with it as well. So this look wouldn't be complete without some sort of liner. I always like to line my upper lash line, so I will be using the e.l.f. Precision Liquid Eyeliner. I'm going to take a little bit more of that blue liner and just kind of smudge it a little bit. And I'm just going to take a brush and just kind of smudge that. So I'm actually going to take that matte darker purple shade on an angled brush. And I know this is kind of weird. I wouldn't normally do this, but I want to try to use as many colors as possible. But I want to press this over top of that black liner just so it adds a little something different. So it's going to be like a really dark purple liner. You know what, we might as well go ahead and try to use all of the shades in this look. So I am going to take that really pretty shimmery purple, and I don't know how this is going to look, but I am going to add just a tiny bit of this over top of 23 on the inner corner. Alright, so we just need to apply some mascara, so I am going to apply the brown mascara. I don't know how this is going to look. And something else I also did off camera earlier today, so that they are completely dry now, but I took some wispy lashes and applied the mascara to them to turn them brown. I actually saw Jkissa do this in her video, so I kind of wanted to do the same thing. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to try to apply these lashes. If it looks awful, I'll just remove it. So let's go ahead and apply the mascara. Alright guys, so here is the completed look. I did put on the lashes and it actually looks really good. And here's a closer look at the finished eye look. So that is everything, you guys. That was my first impression, kind of like tutorial, review, swatches on the Jkissa and e.l.f. Cosmetics collection. I don't know if I could pick a favorite. I absolutely love the eyeliner. It's easy to work with. It goes so easily into the waterline and it's so opaque and pigmented. The mascara was really nice. It just gave me a little bit of length, a little bit of volume, nothing too crazy, but the color is very unique. If I had to pick one item from this collection that would definitely be a must-have, I would definitely say the eyeshadow palette. I definitely think 23 is my favorite because it's a beautiful highlighter. I mean, look at that glow. Really love how these colors mix together. They blend really easily. I was very impressed with the overall quality of all of these shades in here. Overall, I think this palette is so creative. It definitely feels like Jkissa. This entire collection feels like her 100%. This collection is limited edition, and as far as I know, the palette is sold out, so I hope they bring it back. Please bring it back, because I definitely am considering getting a backup. Yeah, that is everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll put more information down below in the description box, so definitely check that out. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I post on every Tuesday, Friday, and sometimes on Sunday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, every single week. I hope you guys have a really awesome day. I will see you all in the next video. Remember, smarter beauty is better beauty. Bye, guys.